Yo guys, how's it going? Today we're going to be working on plasti dipping the wheels for my electric Pitbike build. Here's a plasti dip I'll be using. And I'll be also adding a small amount of gloss fire to it. So I'm going to get these rotors off and the rear sprocket off if I can. Then I'll update you guys once I'm done with that. I noticed the front one's a little bigger than the rear one, which is kind of neat. I'm not gonna mess with taking this thing off. I'll just tape it off or something. But the bolts were extremely hard to get off, judging that they had a white thread locker on them. So yeah, I'm gonna go get the supplies I need to mask these off, and I'll show you guys how you can do that. Finally finished up. That took forever, but I got it done. Fit pretty well. Keep in mind, for the rear you might have some open slits like that. So try and press them together when you're about to paint. The rear wheel won't turn out as good as the front wheel, just because the front wheels most likely turn out a little better. Rear, but that was a very, very long process. Maybe took 30 minutes to an hour. I did it really slowly, but if you get the technique down, you could get it done real fast. And yes, you can keep the last straw to yourself. Masking off the back or the rest of the tire. Almost looks like take the rim off. But basically, to do this, you deflate all the air out of the tire. Make sure you don't forget to cover up your valve stem with some masking tape, because it is too hard for a straw. And then get some note cards. And I ran out of note cards, so what I did was got some printer paper over there and folded it in half. The reason you can't quite use any newspaper is because that's simply not thick enough and it'll bleed through. So folded up printer paper, it'll work for now. Then make sure you do this on both sides. Now, you can't lay this on the floor the way it is now. So what I do is just get a brick. I've used this one for spray painting in the past. As you can see, it's all discolored. And set the hub on it when you're ready to do the other side. But first, I'm gonna mask off the rim, or at least this side. Basically, I'm gonna put some masking tape on the hub, connecting to the straws so it holds the straws in place, because what will happen is sometimes here for a looser one, it'll come off like that. So before you paint, make sure you just push everything down. Make sure everything's in place like that. Outside and do the fun part, paint it up. Keep in mind that the inside of the hub is not fully masked. On a full-size dirt bike wheel, you probably could, but I couldn't in this case. So try and aim it onto the rim and the rim itself. Try not to get any on the hoe. But Plasti dip, luckily if you get too much somewhere, you can peel it right off. Alright guys, I'm going to start Plasti dipping it up again. Same process if you spray paint it. So yeah. Alright guys, I'm pretty much done Plasti dipping up the wheel. Quite a few layers of Plasti dip on. They're really light layers, but just quite a few layers. And then one kind of light, but I still use Plasti dip gloss fiber to give it more of that dirt bike gloss look instead of more of a matte. Still looks pretty matte black, but you know, a little bit of gloss fire in person helps. I'm really happy with the result because, as you can see, that's a real dirt bike rim. And here's the Plasti dip. You can almost not tell a difference. I mean, obviously the real one's more glossy. This one has a little more of like a, I don't know, flaky to it. But that's just because the gloss coat was really light. As you can see, some of them are kind of, I didn't see that one. But pretty much all the spokes turned out pretty good. And honestly, at the track from far away, they can't tell if you did a good job. Whether the rim came like that or not, you know, from far away. I mean, obviously up close you'll be able to tell, but yeah, looks pretty sick. I'm gonna use a little something I picked up at the my local AutoZone. It's some Lucas Oil tire cleaner, tire shine. Then here's a little GoPro. Use these little things to put on there, pro late stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna prep the rear tire. First I'm gonna get the rotor on this thing and install it on the bike and see how it looks. And I'll prep this one, or it's already prepped. Alright guys, just installed the wheel and shined it up. Here it is, it looks factory. With the look of the bike, I think it just ties it all together. It's crazy to think that I didn't want to paint that. I thought forks and the bars and thing would be a little too much, but no. The yellow, black. You want the extra mile, just put on a quick little red valve stem cap, you know, again with the red bling bling on this bike. I was thinking of buying some spoke coats, but now that I look at it, I don't think this bike will need it. So yeah, I'll get the back done. Haven't even started masking off the back yet. So yeah, I'll just get that done and paint it up, and yeah, I'll update you guys once I was done masking that off.